Ideal for recording 4K UHD video. Samsung MicroSD Evo is perfect for high-res photos, gaming, music, tablets, laptops, action cameras, DSLRs, drones, smartphones, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S9 Plus, Note 9, S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, S7, S7 Edge, etc., Android devices and more. Durability: rugged, lightweight, 2-meter drop test rated, IP54. Built to last. Reliability: shockproof. Memory card is also waterproof, temperature-proof, X-ray proof and magnetic proof. Extended compatibility: includes full-size adapter for use in cameras, laptops and desktop computers. 10-year limited warranty. 10-year limited warranty does not extend to dashcam, CCTV, surveillance camera and other intensive uses. Warranty for SD adapter is limited to 1 year. Top reviews from the United States. No problem shooting 4K. Genuine Samsung cards as far as I can tell. It has the advertised storage capacity and white edges, albeit a bit faded by now. I use it on my Sony cameras to record 4K at 60 Mbps and have not had any issues. On my i5 Surface Pro I can transfer 70 GB in less than 15 minutes. Probably not the fastest by today's standards but adequate for me.